Hey guys, Cam here from Pocket-lint, and this is the Sony Wena Pro. It might look like a plain old regular analog watch from the outside. It has the looks, the classical watch face and the moving physical hands, plus a standard metal link bracelet, but it is hiding some tech. The Wena Pro is actually just the bracelet part. It's part of a project originally introduced nearly 4 years ago, and unlike other hybrid watches, this keeps the technology apart from the actual watch mechanisms and casing by building it into the wristband and the clasp. What's cool about this is that it means you can keep your favourite old dress watch and just use the Wena bracelet to add smarts to it, and it comes with adapters to fit 18, 20 and 22mm strap fittings. It's made from 316L stainless steel, comes in brushed or black colouring, and has all the basic tracking functions you would expect from a fitness tracker. Plus there's a little OLED strip panel in the clasp to show you smartphone notifications and a quick overview of your activity progress. It pairs via Bluetooth to your phone, which then collates all the data using a dedicated app to display the information it's gathered. Now, for those worried about durability, you'll be pleased to know it's waterproof up to 5 atmospheres or 50 meters and feels suitably sturdy and well made on first impressions. There's also an active model that's essentially just a silicone strap that feeds beneath the case, adding a little more thickness and not looking quite as premium. Now, the Wena charges using the contact points on the clasp and should last roughly a week between charges. It's £399 just for the Pro bracelet, which is roughly what you'd pay for a full smartwatch. Clearly then, this is a product for those with existing expensive watches who just want to add a splash of fitness tech to their daily routine. I've been Cam, and I'll see you again soon.